Good morning students, welcome to social class unit 7 exploring continent. In this lesson we saw physical features of Africa. Africa is the second largest and second most populous continent after Asia. It is 6% of total surface area and 16% of human populations. The continent surrounded by the North Mediterranean Sea, Isthmus of Suez, Red Sea, and Northeast Indian Ocean and West Atlantic Ocean. The Northeast included Madagascar. It's contained from 54 states. The continent of Africa consists of 54 countries. On the basis of the geographical location, the countries are grouped as North, South, East, West and Central Africa. Now, let us see. Africa consists of mixture of landform such as mountain, plateaus and plain. In the southern countries are South Africa, Lesotho, Switzerland, Botswana, Namibia, Zimbabwe, Mozambique and Maldives. The country is central divisions are Democratic Republic of Congo, Gabon, Central African Republic, Burundi, Cameroon, Chad, Equatorial Guinea, São the Princes. Then we come to Eastern Division, Tanzania, Rwanda, Kenya, Uganda, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Somalia, Eritrea, Madagascar, Comoros, Mauritius and Seychelles. In the western part we have Nigeria, Benin, Togo, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Liberia, Syria, Guinea-Bissau, Campe, Senegal, Mali, Niger and Burkina Faso. Finally in the northern division we have Mauritania, Western Sahara, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya and Egypt. The physical continent divisions of desert region, that is called Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert, Namibia and central part of tropical of rainforest, savanna, Ethiopian highlands, Swahili coasts, Southern Africa and mountain region. Now let us see Sahara Desert. The world famous Sahara Desert is located in the northern part of Africa. It has an area of 9.2 million square meter. The Sahara bordered by the Atlantic Ocean in the west, the Red Sea in the east, the Mediterranean Sea in the northern and Sahel in the south. This desert covered the areas of 11 countries. It considered many trophical features such as mountain, plateaus, ergs, oases, sand and gravels, plain, salt flats, basins and depressions, Mount Kouzi and extinct volcano in Chad. This desert covered the areas of 11 countries: Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Western Sahara, Sudan and Tunisia. These all are covered in 11 countries. Sahara Desert. It is consists of many topographical features such as mountain, plateaus, ergs, oases, sand and gravel covered plains, salt flats, basins and depressions.